We do that for our other stations on WBAP. This is an activation of the Amber Alert system at the request of the Princeton, Texas Police Department. The Princeton Police Department in Collin County has issued an Amber Alert for 3 children abducted in a black sedan. Officers are searching for a black 2017 Mercedes 300 with Texas license plate NBV 5334. The suspect is a 37-year-old woman, Nazia Ali, who is suspected of abducting a 5-year-old boy named Umar Ali and 2 girls, 8-year-old Aisha Ali and 16-year-old Zainab Ali. Princeton police are asking the public to call 911 if you have any information. And we will return to the WBAP Afternoon Show with Brad Staggs after this.